I just wanted to have a quick chat about cooking rice. Now for some, cooking rice is easy, and for others, they just can't seem to get it right. So today I just wanted to give you a really easy method to always having perfect rice when you're making that dish. I learnt this way of cooking rice a long time ago from a Samoan lady, and basically from then on I've never had anything but perfect rice. So the rule of thumb is 2 to 1. So if you're cooking 1 cup of rice, you always need 2 cups of water. Now obviously that can apply to any size vessel, but just make sure the ratio is always 2 to 1. From here, if you want to make it extra special, you can always add in a dash of olive oil or coconut oil or ghee, a little bit of salt and pepper, and you could even add in some beautiful fresh turmeric, mustard seeds or cumin seeds. But today we'll just keep it nice and simple. Okay, so from here all you need to do is pop the pot on the stove and get it to a rolling boil. Now the trick is, as soon as it's at a rolling boil, turn the heat of the stove down to the lowest setting possible. On my induction, I find that is about 1 or 2. And if you're cooking on gas, just turn it down to the very minimum that you can have it on. Now, next, pop the lid on. And the trick is here not to lift the lid. At 1 or 2 for heat, it should be just bubbling or just simmering beautifully on the stove. You'll leave that for about 10 minutes. But don't be tempted to lift the lid and stir it, just let it cook. Then after 10 minutes, turn off the stove and just leave the lid on whilst you're getting the rest of dinner ready. And I guarantee when you take that lid off, you'll have perfect rice and you'll never cook rice any other way again. Let me know how you go and keep a lookout for some more tips and tricks.